you never are gonna hit a dead end. It might feel like it sometimes, but there could just be some brushes in the way that you gotta cut down before you can see the rest of your path. Don't give up. So I've learned Nimeza and Amakuru, how are you? And then I learned Nedishime ko urimeza, Dabakunda chande. Did I just say that one? No, Turi,
Yes.
which is we are.
Yes.
And then I got Bari, which is they are, and Muri, which is you plural are. Rwanda Diaspora Voice.
Hello, beautiful people. Today I have a special guest, and he's from America, but he can speak some Kinyarwanda words. What do I say?
How do you say?
Yes.
Oh, there's various things you can say. You can say bite sha, you know,
Bite.
bite.
So, how do you answer?
Oh, I say nimeza,
Nibyiza.
nibiza.
Yes. Then when I say amakuru,
Then I say nimeza.
amakuru,
Mm?
amakuru.
I say nimeza.
Yes. Bite,
Bite is nibeza.
nibyiza.
Nibieza.
Okay. Mwaramutse, you say mwaramutse
I
again.
say mwaramutse to you as well.
Mwaramutse.
Mwaramutse.
Ntabwo nigeze mwigisha ariko we azi Ikinyarwanda. Hari abantu burya bashimisha turakorana n'umujene ariko azi amwe mu magambo y'Ikinyarwanda. And I didn't teach him, man. I didn't teach him. He learned by himself. So let's welcome him, and he's gonna talk to us some Kinyarwanda words, and he has some advice for young people.
Hi everyone, my name is Braden. I've worked with this wonderful man, Richard, for I'd say a couple months here now. Gone on some trips with him and learned a bit about his culture and his country, and I found it to be very interesting. And I wanted to be able to communicate a little bit easier with him. And so I started by learning something really simple. First word was good morning. Moramutse. Pretty simple, but it was amazing to see his reaction when I walked in and told him that, and that kind of got me hooked a little bit on trying to learn some other words and phrases that I can mix in. And so I've learned Nimeza and Amakuru, how are you? And then I learned Nedishime ko urimeza. I also learned Nushute Yanje, because he is my friend. I would like to consider him to be that. And then I am working currently on the verb to be. So I'm learning that Nadi is I, am, and then, let's see, what's the other one? We got Turi, which is you are, and then I'm working on Ari, which is he or she. I'm working on, let's see, what other one do I got? I got Turi, did I just say that one? No, Turi,
Yes.
which
Turi,
is we are.
Yes.
And then I got Bari, which is they are, and Muri, which is you plural are. So that's my current lesson, and I plan on continuing. I'll potentially be going with him to Rwanda in person, which I'm very excited about. And my advice to young people is try to explore a language or a culture that you are unfamiliar with. Because I'll be honest, I didn't know much of anything about Rwanda before talking to Richard about it. And he has taught me some amazing things. I've seen some beautiful images. It is a fantastic culture and a wonderful language. So please put yourself out there, try and talk to someone you might be a little bit unfamiliar with their background, and explore what's out there, because you never know what amazing things you might find.
Let me give you a gift. Do you mind coming on the car?
Absolutely.
This one you can wear so we can talk with the flag, man. Try this one
Okay.
and see. Oh, that's a scarf, right?
This is a scarf, yes.
So,
It looks amazing on me, I'm sure.
okay, so when I greet you, I say, how do I say?
How are you saying?
Yes.
Oh, there's various things you can say. You can say bite sha, you know,
Bite.
bite.
So, how do you answer?
Oh, I say nimeza,
Nibyiza.
nibiza.
Yes. Then when I say amakuru,
Then I say nimeza.
amakuru,
Mm.
amakuru.
I say nimeza.
Yes. Bite.
Bite is ni beza.
Ni byiza.
Ni beza.
Okay, mwaramutse, you say mwaramutse
I would say
again.
mwaramutse to you as
Okay.
well.
Mwaramutse.
Mwaramutse.
Okay, so when it's raining, when it rains, you told me how do you feel when it rains?
How do I feel when it rains?
Yes.
I feel like the world slows down a little bit when it rains. And that is something I really love. I think on a sunny day, it's beautiful, but everyone's rushing to do something, you know, whether that's go outside, take their dog for a walk, or go to work, or build something, construction industry, or whatnot. It's all these go, go, go. But when it rains, everything seems to calm down because it limits what people can do. And also, you know, it's safer to slow down in the rain. And I find that to be very beautiful. Even though a lot of people don't necessarily enjoy the rain, it's one of my favorite things.
Okay, and there's something you told me, like motivation when you are at work. How do you get motivated?
Oh, when I'm at work, the main thing that motivates me is at the end of the day, if I've done my job properly, I can go home and rest knowing that I gave it my all. Even if things don't entirely go as planned, I know that I did my best. And that is my main motivator, is just knowing that I did the right thing and I'm seeing personal growth as I do it, and it's just a day-to-day thing. It doesn't have to be a huge leap in growth, just as long as you're making tiny improvements on yourself and your life, then you're in the right place.
Okay, what if it snows and it's too cold? Is it still a good day?
Oh, absolutely.
Why?
Because it's still a day where you get to go out and talk to the people that you love and care about, and the snow is beautiful, you know? The way that the light hits the snow on a winter's day is like nothing I've ever experienced before. There's beauty in the rain, there's beauty in the snow, there's beauty in the sun. You know, you just have to go and look for it. That's the art form.
Okay, so what would you be your overall advice to young people?
My overall advice to young people is there is always a road to go down. You never are gonna hit a dead end. It might feel like it sometimes, but there could just be some brushes in the way that you gotta cut down before you can see the rest of your path. Don't give up.
Okay, thank you so much. So there is an important word I probably should have taught you. Ndagukunda or ndabakunda. So I'm telling people that Rwanda ndabakunda. That means
Dabakunda?
yeah, I love you.
Rwanda? Dabakunda.
So if you wanna say so much, you say ndabakunda cyane.
Dabakunda cyane.
Okay, can you say it again?
Dabakunda cyane.
Rwanda ndabakunda cyane.
Rwanda? Dabakunda cyane.
Yeah, thank you so much, brother.
You're welcome, Richard.